Welcome back, folks. As you can see, I'm in a beautiful part of the world today. I'm over in Clare, and I'm actually on a job over here, a filming job, which is rare for me. I'm only droning though, so I decided to bring the bike even though it's raining. Anyway, I also decided to bring the new GoPro Mission 1. I don't know if you saw my last video. The camera froze on me last week as I was out doing some audio tests. Not only that, a couple of other things to report is that because I'm connected via Bluetooth, which is the only way to keep this camera rainproof and not have the receiver to the wireless GoPro system sticking out the side, the sound quality goes down to 16-bit, which was nowhere to be seen in the blurb, of course. It's only heavily advertised that everything is 32-bit, not when you're transmitting via Bluetooth. And like I say, that's when you're a moto vlogger, especially in Ireland, you need to transmit wirelessly to the camera. I don't think it degrades the sound quality using the DJI system as much as that. I can tell the difference, but then I suppose I'm doing the equivalent to pixel peeping with the audio as well. There's a few other problems to tell you about as well. The camera, even though it did freeze last week, it's the first and only time it has frozen on me within the last month. But I'm noticing that it keeps switching from different lens modes, like from the super view into linear. Even when I just go into the menu system and change stuff around on the audio, like the audio level. Actually, now's a good time to tell you about the audio level as well. So as well as the camera being glitchy, sorry, I'm a bit glitchy at the minute, I'm all over the place, sorry about that. I'll come on to more of that in a second, but just before I forget, so as much as I loved being able to take the audio level down to minus 24 dB when I had the plug-in lav mic on a wire in this camera when I first started testing the picture, and I was just using any sound just to tell you what I was doing with the picture. Yeah, I was really thrilled that I could take the level down to minus 24. However, with the Bluetooth transmitting wirelessly like I'm doing now, you can only take it down to minus 12. I have to say it's not as hot as the DJI system, because minus 12 dB still overmods a lot on the DJI system. I'm looking at the meter on the back of this camera. I'm hoping that it is picking up the sound. This is my third time out with the Bluetooth wireless audio, because the previous two times, even though it's been connected, and then I've powered the camera down until I'm ready to get to a location where I can power the camera up, it hasn't connected to the transmitter. And I've just come home basically recording in-camera sound rather than the sound of the actual Bluetooth transmitter. So I've left the camera on, knowing that it is connected, in the hope that I can at least deliver this video to you. It's very frustrating. It has all the throwbacks to the good old GoPro days. Wonderful thatched cottage there. I'd say that's an Airbnb or something. Beautiful. And I'll just give the little lens a little wipe. The little lens a little wipe. I've got an ND8 filter on. Probably don't need it. I am looking at the green audio level on the back of the screen, and it is flicking away with my voice. So I really hope there is something there. So I don't know what to do about the glitches. I have contacted GoPro to see if I can send the camera back after last week's freeze. Because the only way to remedy that, it wouldn't even turn off with the power button on the side of the camera. I had to go back to the old days and take the battery out and reset it like that. And oh my God, it was just horrible. And listen, if you're only new to this channel, and before you even write in the comments, did you check your SD card or formatter, please don't insult me. I'm a cameraman for a living. I know what I'm doing, okay? And I use the fastest SD cards that there are. I even use them in my broadcast cameras as well, and my Mavic 4 Pro drone and all of that sort of stuff. So I'm well aware of what read and write speeds are, and megabits per second, and the capacity with A2, A3, V2 cards, the whole lot. So I know what I'm doing when it comes to cards. I also know what I'm doing when it comes to cameras, and I know that when a camera freezes, a camera freezes. So I'm running this test just Milltown Malby. I always thought that was in the UK. No, that's where do they make the pies? The steak and kidney pies. Melton Mowbray, not Milltown Malby. Okay, probably enough of me whittling on this video. Thank you so much for watching this. This is my hopefully first audio test, first proper audio test using the Bluetooth audio from the new GoPro Wireless audio system. I bought the one with the 2 transmitters and the receiver in the cradle. It was very affordable, in fairness. It was about €130 because it's discounted when you use your GoPro membership subscription thing, which you get free of charge anyway when you buy the camera for the first year. So yeah, it's very affordable. What I don't like is that there are no meters on the actual receiver, so you can't get a proper idea of what it's doing until you've plugged it into the camera. I would like the option to use the wireless audio on my broadcast cameras at work. I won't be doing that because there's, like I said, there's no meters on the receiver. So a big music festival happening around these parts this weekend, called the Willie Clancy Music Festival, and that's part of the job I'm filming. Probably not allowed to tell you too much about it because it's for broadcast at a later stage. So all I can tell you is that I'm over here filming. Can't tell you too much about the project. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. As always, if you're interested in this camera tech stuff, the only way you'll be notified of this sort of stuff is if you subscribe to the channel but ding the bell, because these videos will not have a regular time slot like my normal motorbike content every Saturday morning at 8 AM. But where's this person going? Oh, she's going right now. But thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great week or few days until I release the next video. Who knows what will happen next in this GoPro saga? Who knows what will happen with this driver in front of me? Right, I'm going now. I'll chat to you soon. All the best, folks. Thanks again. Bye.